tour of Stateroom 8038. This is what's called an enclosed balcony, and you'll see why in a minute. But the ship is an older ship, and it kind of looks its age, but altogether I can't really complain. Take a look in the head. Yeah, all the wood kind of ages it. It's a decent size shower, definitely big enough. Nice vanity, and the loo, which don't know why they had to cordon it off, but it does have a door. But anyway, it's nice. Closet space. There's the safe. Closet space. Sorry about the light. For some reason, the light isn't going on right now. But anyway, closet definitely big enough. Got the refrigerator. Those are the mini bar waters. I also have 6 waters that were brought as part of my package, so I'm not going to be drinking these. I'll probably just take them out. Storage down below. Good. Seat, hassock, and obviously bed. Little couch. No charging stations, it appears, around the bed. Not that I really need that, but it is something to note. Looks like that might be a USB port on the bottom, so take that back. Looks like there's one USB on each of these sconces, maybe. Take a look at this one. Yeah, so that's nice. Don't know if those were original, probably not. Maybe it was an upgrade. At some point they replaced the sconces. Small television, but definitely big enough. And then, like we said, the enclosed balcony. So the enclosed balcony is enclosed. We're towards the front of the ship, so it needs more structure towards the front. So that's why they leave these enclosed as opposed to the full width balconies. But who cares, right? Can definitely see beautiful Tromsø, Norway. The airport is on the other side of that bridge, I believe, because when I say the other side, we didn't cross that bridge, but I think we crossed this hill over here to get to the ship. So, but definitely beautiful mountains. Weather's really nice today. It is June 12th, about 5 o'clock in the afternoon now, and it's breezy, but probably somewhere around 50 degrees, 55 degrees, call it 12 to 14 centigrade. And yeah, so that's the cabin. Pretty happy with it, and that's it.